Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you the ways to open or create an online bank account of Lloyds Bank. Now to begin with the procedure, first of all check your internet connection, open up a browser. So on the web address bar, go ahead and type in lloydsbank.com. Don't worry about the link, I'll be sure to drop it on my description box below as well. Once you type in the link, it's going to take you to the official homepage, and here go ahead and tap the log on button from the top right hand side corner. As soon as you do that, click the register button underneath personal or business. Now you'll be taken to the other interface where you'll be provided with some information. So here go ahead and read all sort of statement and click the register here button. Now to begin with, you'll need to go ahead and enter in your information, that is your personal details, including first name, last name, date of birth, email, your confirmation email, and all sort of thing, and then your postcode and all that. After that, you'll be asked to provide in your contact details or the details regarding your bank account. So when you're opening or registering for an online bank account, make sure that you already have a bank account or pre-existing account. Only then you'll be able to create an account. After you've done with that procedure, moving on with the step number 3, you'll be asked to create a login information. That will be either your username, email address, or an phone number, and then a password. So you have to create all of that, and after you've done successfully creating all sort of things, you'll be receiving a confirmation stating that your request has been successfully submitted. All you have to do is wait patiently until 24 hours. After 24 hours, you'll be receiving a confirmation. So till then, all you have to do is wait patiently until you get further notified. That is how you can register for an online bank account of Lloyds Bank. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.